Mecom's plant-based cutting fluids are developed with unique formulations and proprietary technologies, delivering clear competitive advantages.
Jonathan, Technical Director of Mecom Industries, brings over 30 years of R&D experience and is recognized as the first pioneer in Taiwan to apply plant-based oils to metalworking fluids.
Among them, the most representative innovation lies in biostability, where Mecom has achieved globally leading performance. Unlike conventional cutting fluids that rely on biocides to maintain stability, Mecom's plant-based cutting fluids leverage the natural properties of plant oils to actively inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms, providing long-lasting and stable microbial control. This innovative design significantly extends fluid service life. Compared to traditional mineral oil-based fluids, Mecom's products can last 3 to 5 times longer, which directly translates into fewer fluid changes, reduced labor requirements, and lower downtime costs. Beyond fluid longevity, Mecom's cutting fluids also deliver remarkable improvements in tool life. Under demanding machining conditions, customers have reported tool life extensions ranging from 20% up to 100%, representing a major technological breakthrough and one that has earned strong recognition and satisfaction from our customers worldwide.